Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sudeshna. Today we are going to make an outfit for my sister from this beautiful fabric. I'm in love with this color. Look at the details, guys. This is so pretty, and this is the lining for this fabric. And yeah, let's start cutting. I've laid down our fabric like this. This is 4 layers of fabric. Now I'm going to measure the length of my sister and just mark there. I'm going to mark in like 5 to 10 inch difference so that I can draw the line easily. After I mark down all the dots, I'm gonna join all the dots and make a line so that it will be easier for me to cut the fabric. After that, I'm just gonna cut the fabric where the line is. Then I'm gonna do the same thing in the lining, mark the length and cut the fabric. We're making a gather skirt, so we're gonna gather all the fabric. It was 4 meters of fabric just for the skirt, so I had to gather so much. I wanted tight gather, so I'm gonna just do like this to make more gathered skirt, and it will give more volume in our skirt. So I'm just gonna do this. After gathering the lining part, here is the hemline. I'm gonna stitch it like this in 1/2 inch. And here is the waist part. I have gathered the lining part as well, and we're gonna top it with the outer lining and we're gonna stitch it together. After that, here I have made a bodice pattern for my sister, and now I'm doing the basting. Now I'm cutting the fabric with extra seam allowance. Here I am stitching the facing of the bodice part. This is for the neckline. After stitching the facing, I'm gonna stitch it in the bodice part. After stitching the facing, I will top stitch in the facing like this. Now we will stitch the front and back side together. After stitching front and back side together, we are going to do this. We are going to make some details in the side part of the bodice. This is how it looks now. Now let's go to the sleeve part. First of all, I'm going to gather some fabric. Then I'm gonna attach it in the bottom of the sleeve part. We're going to make a gather belt sleeve kind of thing. After repeating the same thing on the other side, we're going to stitch the sleeve in the bodice. Now stitching the another sleeve as well. And our outfit is almost done, and this is the final look. Our outfit is done. This is the lehenga and that's the choli. And look at the details. I really love the fabric, and this is how my sister looks. She's happy flaunting her new outfit. So yeah, that's all for my today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.